a restless spirit on an endless flight. Ooh, witchy woman. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool. I don't think the song describes me. Yeah. Well, I guess some witches look like Mrs. Weasley. You need these chords in order to do this song. We're going to be using an easy D7, and I'll go over how to finger the G minor. And we have to do a G minor, C minor, and B flat chord progression. We'll go over that. We will have practice sessions for each of the sections in the song, and then there is a play along at the end. Hope this gets you in that fall spirit. Here's how to finger a G minor. Index finger on the first fret of the A string, reaching over with your middle finger to the second fret of the C string, and then third fret of the E string. It's a great chord to have memorized. I recommend doing a modified island strum, where it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And a big hint on that one is at the island strum, your hand always goes up and down. On the modified island strum, you have to go down and then you hold it down. Up, down, hold, up, down, up. So you might kind of be thinking that in your head, down, hold, might be helpful. I think putting a chuck on beat 2 with this modified island strum really makes this sound gritty, which the song deserves. So it would sound like this on a G minor. Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck. But you want to vary your strum and the chorus. You could do an island strum, but I would also recommend adding a chuck to that on the second beat. So it's down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down. But just a regular island strum would work just fine. Let's go over the timing of the strum for the interlude, because we want to make it sound kind of like the Eagles do. So you have G minor, and the beat on those, it's 2 down strums, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you switch to an F, and it's 1, and then D7 happens on 2, 3, 4. Put that all together, counting it out. 1, 2, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, D7, F, D7, and then an island strum on the G minor. Let's practice that together. 1, 2, 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, D7, F, D7, and G minor. Down, 3, 4, F, D7, F, D7, and G. To make up for the lack of the guitar solos on this, I have a little extra interlude here on a G minor, except we're going to do slide on it. And we're going to do it in the intro, and then also serves as an outro. So taking your G minor, and you move these 2 fingers up and pick this finger off, but you're going to keep it hovering, ready to go. And so 1 strum, so that first down strum, you slide your fingers down into place. But you start your attack of your strum with them up 1 fret higher. Like that. It's so much fun, and it really, it adds some street cred to your playing. I encourage you to pick up a chord chart. I have a link down below in the description and also in the comments. When you become a Patreon member, you get access to all my chord charts, and there's over 350 of them. Plus, you support this channel and keep it going, because I couldn't do this job without my patrons. Thank you so much, patrons. Let's practice the verse. It's just G minor and D7. We're going to do it with the modified island strum with a chuck for all the verses. So 1, 2, here we go. G minor chuck, up, down, chorus is, the structure of the chords is exactly the same as the verse. So in order to set it apart from the verses, I'm going to switch to an island strum, a little bit more activity in the strum, less silence. Same G minor D7, just island strum with the chuck. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. G minor down, down up D7, D7, then G minor again, G minor, and D7, D7, and G minor. On the bridge, it's a tougher chord progression. Let me show you how I'd finger it. So you've got your G minor, then I take my ring finger and put it across my bottom 3 strings, C, E, and A. And one thing that I do is I move my hand position here. This part moves in order to really get in good contact so that A string really rings out. Then I keep these fingers hovering here because you need them to be ready. And you keep that same position with your wrist, so you're cinching down your index finger on your 2 strings here, your E and A string, to get a good sound on those. From the B flat, we're going to a G minor, and so the index finger moves 1 string over, this finger gets to stay, and this finger moves 2 strings over. So be thinking of this finger here as your anchor, and you move the other 2. To make things worse, the C minor and B flat only get 2 beats. So let's just do some down strums on this, which would be something that you could do that anyway. 4 on the G minors, and then 2 down strums on the C minor and B flat, and that's why they're in yellow. Just as a reminder. 1, 2, here we go. G minor, 2, 3, 4, G minor, 2, 3, 4, and C minor twice, B flat twice, G minor, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it with a strumming pattern. We'll do it with a modified island strum for the G minors, but the C minor and B flat, let's just do 2 down strums on those. 1, 2, here we go. G minor, up, down, up, G minor, up, down, up, C minor, B flat, G minor, up, down, up. 1, 2, let's do that again. G minor, up, down, up, G minor, up, down, up, C twice, B flat twice, G minor, up, down, up. If you want to put a strumming pattern with the C minor and B flat, you could just put a 2-beat strum, but 2 down strums work fine. And then I would make it a modified island strum with a chuck on the G minor. Let's do that. 1, 2, here we go. Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, up, C, minor, B flat, G, up, down, up. And if you're really spiffy, you could do the C minor with a down, chuck, B flat. Do what works for your skill level. If you just want to do down strums for the bridge, it would provide a nice break. Our starting vocal pitch is a G. Re. 1, 2, here we go. Sparks fly from her fingertips. Echo voices in the night. She's a restless spirit on and shadows in the firelight, crazy laughter in another room, and she drove herself to madness with the silver spoon. Ooh, witchy woman, see how high she flies. Ooh, witchy woman, she got the moon in her eyes. Let me tell your brother, she's been sleeping in the devil's bed. Some rumors going round, someone's underground. She can rock you in the night till your skin turns red. Ooh, witchy woman, see how high she flies. Ooh, witchy woman, she got the moon in her eye. Oh, I hope that gets you in a fall mood. Okay, so if I had witch powers, I'd like Mrs. Weasley's witch powers to get housework done. What do you think? I think that would be so helpful. Yeah, I have some other Halloween-ish tutorials out there. Take a look at those. They're really fun. I hope to see you in my next tutorial.